Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Simada. So as you all know guys, I'm learning English, and what I'm learning and what I'm improving my English little by little, I share with you all guys. So guys, today in this video I will talk about shadowing. So we will know how shadowing improve my English and how shadowing helpful in speaking English. So guys, first of all we will know what is the shadowing. So shadowing is suppose a person speak English sentences, and we will try to speak like them, and we will, you can say in simple way, we will try to copy them. Then in learning English, so what I said, this it means. So guys, if you will do again and again this thing, then your mind will be habituate for English. Like your mind will train to learn English, your ear will train to hear English, and your mouth will train to speak English. So if then through this way you can create English environment, not outside environment. I'm saying about your inside environment. So if you will do again and again this thing, then you can improve English, and you can improve your fluency, your conversation. So I do this thing. I'm not saying only this is the one way to learn English, to speak English. There is lots of way to learn English. Like we should watch movie to learn English, and we should also learn grammar and vocabulary also. But there is many ways to learn English, and I try to do all thing what is helpful for learning English. So this is the a part of learning of mine. So that's why I'm telling to you guys. So if you are also English learner, then you should also practice for shadowing. So I think it will be helpful for you, and it will helpful for you learning English. So that's all for today. I think you have understood what I want to say. So guys, if you enjoyed my video, if you liked my video, like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Bye bye for today.